Hello students. Now today we are going to discuss about the important question of explain database approach. So what is database approach, and this answer is repeated so many times for your final examinations in the May, June 2017, and question paper question number 9, and most probably it is the mostly repeated question for your final examinations. So database approach. What is database approach? How to approach the data? Data approach is a new method of introduction of overcoming of issues with the traditional file-based system. It is strong to the data related to the various applications and providing across to the multiple users of simultaneously. Multiple users they are going to use with the help of the data. And this approach can be implemented in the traditional banking system. Sir, in previously there is a traditional banking system is also available. An idea of banking concept of personal departmental account and department loan departments such as employees checking the account, savings account, loan account, installment account, mortgage loan, and data linked with storage in the sharing database which is managed by the RDMS. The authority users can be used by the data simultaneously. And here also database approach is nothing but while we are going to maintaining the departmental accounts. So there are different types of departments, there is different types of accounts are available. Like employees account is different, loans savings account is different, installments are different, mortgages loans are different. Like that there are different strategies are there, they are going to implement it under the database approaches. It is also a data which we are maintaining. Next, features of database approach. What are the major features of database approach? Is it does not allow to the redundancy of data. It's not allowed to the redundancy. Redundancy in this is retained data. It's not allowed to the retained data. And it will change the low cost for maintaining of application. There is a low cost of maintenance of accounts, and it offering integrity control the RDMS software itself. They are going to implement it to the RDMS software itself, and it handling the data relationship through RDMS. Data relationship is also going to be maintained by the RDMS. And next, it required high processing power of storage. Powers and storage is also available under these features. So there are majorly 5 features are there, and these 5 features only we are going to maintain. Next, what are the major objectives of database approaches? First one, data stability. So always data should be stable. It cannot change simultaneously. The stability object ensures that the data item developed by one application can be shared among all applications. One application can share all the applications. Example, any notifications are there. If once the government is releasing one notification, it is automatically circulated in all the public. Like that, it is an stability is there. And next one is an data availability. Data availability is also most important thing. The objective ensure that the required data is available to use in the meaningful format. Without meaningful format, they can't maintain. So they are going to maintain the meaningful data format, which result to the decreasing across the time. Across the time, they are going to decrease in the data. And next one is that data independence. Data independence means no need to think about the independence. Independence is different and data independence is different. And data independence is object to ensure that the database program is strong such as way that they are independent to this storage details. They are going to maintain the storage details under the independency of data. Next, data integrity. Data integrity changes means the object to ensure that the data various intact into the data falls within a sequence, range, and are correct format. They are going to maintain the independent as well as correct format. They are going to maintain the data. Next and final one is data security. How to maintain the data security. In Oracle software also I explained number of types. They are going to use the Oracle software. Under Oracle software, they are going to maintain the data purely secure data. So it is purely secure data because of they are going to maintain the user IDs, passwords and all, and the program once implementation they cannot be changed again and again. So that is a purely secure data. So comes under the data securities. After this data securities, advantages of data approaches are there. So what are the major advantages of data approaches? First data approach is program data independence. What is the program data independence? The program independence can be defined as a separation of metadata. Metadata in the sense the data decreasing from the application program. The data approaches strongly provided the access of data decreasing by strongly it is central location called REST repository, as the data program is data independence of strong details and modifications as well as organizations data, because it's an easy can be ensured without performing any changes in the applications.